are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have learned about the life of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in the first chapter of Mohan's childhood, the supplementary part 3rd of our class 8th. Now today we will do the question answer of that lesson. Question number 1. Why had Mohan's mother often kept herself hungry during the rains? कि मोहन की जो माँ थी वो अपने आप को रेंस के समय पर हंग्री क्यों रखती थी, अक्सर वो हंग्री हो जाती थी. आंसर इज मोहन्स मदर ऑफन केप्ट हरसेल्फ हंग्री ड्यूरिंग द रेंस बिकॉज शी हैड decided that during the 4 months of the rainy season she would fast and not eat anything unless she had seen the sun. As she could not see the sun in these days, she often remained hungry. कि मोहन की माँ अक्सर अपने आप को भूखा इसलिए रखती थी कि रेन के सीज़न में वो ऐसा उनका था कि 4 महीने वो रेनी सीज़न में ऐसा फास्ट करेंगी, वो तब तक कुछ नहीं खाएंगी जब तक वो सन को देख नहीं लेती. तो उस समय पर रेनी सीज़न में तो अक्सर जो है वो सन दिखाई नहीं देता, तो वो हंग्री होती रहती थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Why was Mohan's father करमचंद गांधी put into jail? मोहन के पिताजी करमचंद गांधी को जेल क्यों भेजा गया था? आंसर. Once the British assistant political agent of Rajkot misbehaved with Thakur Sahab, the ruler of that state. Karamchand did not like this and he immediately protested against it. The English official did not approve such protest from a black divan. He demanded an apology from Karamchand, and when he denied doing so, he was put into the jail. Question number 3. How did the parents' nature influence Mohan? किस तरह से उनके पेरेंट्स का जो नेचर था उसने मोहन को प्रभावित किया? आंसर. Mohan acquired religious mindedness and firm faith in God from his mother. From his father, Mohan learned how to be firm on the decisions once they had been taken. Question number 4. Mohan refused to copy in the class. What trait of his character does this event reveal? कि मोहन ने क्लास में कॉपी करने से, नकल करने से मना कर दिया, तो उनका कौन सा चरित्र इस इवेंट से आता है, सामने आता है? आंसर. मोहन रिफ्यूज टू कॉपी इवन व्हेन हिज टीचर पॉइंटेड हिम टू डू सो. दिस इवेंट रिवील्स द ट्रेट ऑफ ऑनेस्टी इम्बाइब्ड इन मोहन्स कैरेक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट इफेक्ट हैड द बुक श्रवण पितृ भक्ति ऑन मोहनदास? श्रवण पितृ भक्ति का किताब का मोहन के ऊपर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा? One day Mohan read the whole book named Shravan Pitra Bhakti. The book contained a picture which showed Shravan carrying his parents by a means of slings. He had such a tremendous effect on Mohan's mind that he carved to become like Shravan. Question number 6. What promises did Mohandas make to his mother before he left for England? इंग्लैंड जाने से पहले मोहनदास ने अपनी माँ से क्या प्रॉमिस किए? आंसर. Before he left for England, Mohandas promised his mother that he would never consume liquor or meat and would not spoil his habits. Question number 7. How did Mohandas feel towards the Harijans in his childhood? मोहनदास अपने बचपन में हरिजन्स के बारे में क्या सोचते थे? Mohandas did not feel it correct to keep away from the Harijans during his childhood. He was not in favor of treating them as untouchables. Question number 8. Why did Mohan's castemen oppose his plan to go to England? मोहन के कास्टमैन जितने भी थे उनकी जाति के लोग, उन्होंने उनके इंग्लैंड जाने का अपोज क्यों किया? आंसर. मोहन belonged to the वैश्य community. Before him, no other person from his caste had gone to England. So his castemen opposed Mohan's plan to go to England. Fill in the blanks. Mohandas was born in the year 1869. Second, Mohan's father was Diwan in the state of Rajkot. Third, the name of Mohan's wife was Kasturba. Fourth, Mohan went to England to study law. And fifth, the play Harishchand showed the seed on truthfulness in Mohan's life. So here students, we complete our question answer of our first lesson, Mohan's childhood. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.